All right, so now I will share my screen. Okay, yeah. Okay, I hope you are able to see my screen.
Yes.
Okay, okay, so now we will go to Google Ads and sign in with our Gmail account. So last time we had done sales and search ads, so today we will continue with the rest of the ads. Okay, so now we are starting with a new campaign. I click on the plus button and then I select a new campaign. So last time we had done sales. So today we are going to do leads. So leads, ads, and last time we had done sales and search, and this time we are going to do leads and search. So I mean the ad is same, but the objective is different. So I select the website and a phone call, both of them I'll select. But in this, we have a lead submission form, so I will not select any of these options and I will select just leads form submission. So I select this and then I write the campaign name. So campaign name would be lead search and the course name. And then I would say continue. And then it will ask us that what do we want to focus on. So definitely again we in this ad also we are going to select the conversion. So conversion is that we are going to select and we will select target cost per action. So I would say I'll add say 5 rupees and then this optimized campaign for acquiring new customers I cannot use because the last time we had seen that we require minimum 1,000 active members on the website. So we don't have 1,000 active members. So I can uncheck this option and I can directly click on next button. So after that, it will ask the same thing. So the whole ad process is the same. Only in the ads, the process would be different. So here also it is asking the same thing like the last ad, like search network and display network. So I will select both the option because more places my ad will come up. And then I need to select the location. So I'll select a particular location like Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, like that I can select. So I'll select Mumbai. And after that, say language option, I want all languages because we do not know what languages our customers speak. So I will select all languages. So I need to click on the cross button and then all languages will come up. Then I need to select my target audience to whom I want to show my ads. So that is what I can select. So now for that, what I need to do is I need to select the audiences either from the options that are provided over here, or I can select search over here, or else browse. So now since we have already done some ads over here, so I can select from here. So I'll select this technology education, education, business education, then social media enthusiastic, mobile enthusiastic, business professionals, then maybe I would select open online courses and education sector. Then maybe this advanced degree, bachelor's degree, high school graduates, current college going students. I'll select all these and yes, this is the audience that I want. And I will select observation over here instead of targeting. So if I select targeting, then I would be narrowing down my audiences. So I don't want to do that. At present, I will be selecting observation only. And then over here, broad match keywords. So if I use broad match keywords, then it would be difficult for my ad to come up. So I would select it off. So use keyword match type. So we will be using the keyword which matches with my content. So after that, I click on more settings and then add rotation. So I would select the best ads that are working. So I mean the prefer best performing ads. So the ads which are performing, we will use those ads. Otherwise, if I select optimize, do not optimize, then in that case, automatically all the ads that we are running will be say it will keep on running. So the ads which are not performing, for that also we have to pay, and for the ads which are performing, for that also we have to pay. So we will end up paying more money. So for that reason, I would say optimize, prefer best performing ads only. So this is what I'm selecting. After that, more settings. So in that, I will be selecting the start date and end date. So start date I would select from 27th over here and say end date. If I want, I can select. Otherwise, I can leave it blank. So I would select 15th of August. So 15 days will run the ads and then more settings. So add schedule. So in case if I want to run the ads on a schedule, then I can select over here all days 24 hours, that is 00 to 00. Or else I can select that, okay, I want from Monday to Friday, I want my ad to run maybe from morning 6 a.m. So 6 a.m. to 12 a.m. So this is what it is. And after that, I can select weekends. So that is Saturday, Sunday. So Saturday, Sunday, I want 24 hours because people have holidays, so they might be more on the internet. So that is what I'm selecting. So after that, I click on next and then I need to enter the URL over here. So it will fetch all the keywords from my website. So I will enter the keyword. So not keyword, but I will enter the website URL. And then I can click on get keyword suggestion. So now it will pick up all the keywords from my website. So, okay, so now we can see all these keywords. So I will just copy these keywords over here, or else I'll cut them, and then I will search the over here with the keywords as well. So along with this URL, I want with the keywords also. So I'll search for digital marketing. So at this point, the website will run very slow. Then maybe I can search for some other keyword, digital marketing course, and then I can search for something like social media course. Okay, so social media marketing course, yeah, and then I can say get keyword suggestions. So now I will get all the keywords related to the so I will get all the keywords which are related to my keywords that I've entered. So this is what I've added. And after that, what I can do is after that, if I want to add extra keywords, then I can even do that. So I'll press enter and I will paste all the keywords which I had got from my website. So I'll paste all those them. And if still something is remaining, then in that case, I can add something over here, say like digital marketing course. So this is something I can add. Then I can also add digital marketing course in Navi Mumbai. Then I can add a digital marketing course in Kharghar. So like this, I can add whatever I want over here, and then I click on apply all. And then it's final turn to create my ads. So now over here, I need to add my URL. So I will add it. Okay, so this is the URL, and over here the path is very small, so we cannot use it. So like if I search over here, if I want to add something like courses, so courses will come because that is small. But if I want to add something like digital marketing. So now you can see this is say it is exceeding. So the only difference if I add this path, it is just going to display. Actually, nothing is going to happen. When people will click on this ad, it will go to this final URLs. This is just for the sake of displaying. So I will not add the path. It will just change the URL, nothing more than that. So now I can even add a call. So if people want to give me a call, then they can give me a call. So I can select my phone number from here. Okay, it's coming. So I will select my phone number and then I'll say apply. After that, what I can do is over here, this is the lead generation form. So we have selected leads and search app. So for that reason, over here, we can use this. Just a moment. Hello, you're not able. So from how long you are not able to see the screen? 7, 8 minutes. Oh, okay. Okay, fine. Okay, fine. I'll start the ad again. 1 second. I'll just share my screen. Yeah. Okay, so you are not able to hear over here as well? Hello. Now are you able to see my screen? Hello. Hello. Can you hear me? Okay, because I'm not able to hear you. Okay, not a problem. So, I mean, you could have told me over here itself instead of giving me a call. Because, see, when I'm on another screen, this window is hidden. So, if you are, say, sending some message over here, I will not be able to see it. So, it's always better to give a call. then sending message over here because I'm on another screen. So that's the problem. All right, so now what we will do is we will go back and we will start again. So over here we will uh, click on the first part over here. So we just entered the name of the campaign. Let me see if I can still go further. I don't think I can go further. So I just selected leads and search. And after that, I entered the campaign name and then I click on next. And this is the screen that will come up. So now I want conversions over here. I hope you are able to see my screen now. Can you see my screen now? Hello. Okay, I don't know what happened, but unfortunately, I'm not able to hear you. But it's fine if you're able to see my screen. Okay, yeah. So now over here we have added conversions and we have added 5 rupees over here. So this is target cost per action. So we have entered 5 rupees. Then I click on next. And after that, I need to select the network. So I will select both the networks. So better, it's better I can show my ads on both the networks. So I will select search network as well as display network. Then I need to select my location. So I selected enter another location and I typed over here Mumbai. So Mumbai is added. And languages, I selected all languages. And after that, over here, we need to select our target audience. So target audience over here, I have selected the ones which I had selected from the previous audiences. So from here, I've selected my audience segment, and then I will select observation. And after that, in broad match keywords, I need to select the keywords off because broad match keywords will not work. We need to select the specific keyword. So for that reason, mostly we will be using phrases. So I keep it off. After that, I need to click on more settings and see what is the next. So I need to select the ad rotation. So under ad rotation, I will select prefer best performing ads. So best performing ads is like before because say the ads which are working the best. I want only those ads to be seen. I don't want any other ads to be seen. Because what happens is that if I select not perform, do not optimize, then in that case, what happens is that if the ad is working or if the ad is not performing, then also my ad will be shown. So for that reason, I will select only the first option, that is optimize, prefer best performing ads. So after that, what I need to do is I go to more settings over here and let's see what is next. So after that, I need to select my start date and end date. So I have selected start date as 27 July and end date as 15th August. And after that, I will select more settings. And after that, these three options we are not using over here. That is the this campaign URL and other options that we can see over here. So that is something that we are not selecting. Okay, over here, one second. Yeah. So this is campaign URL, dynamic search ad settings and brand restrictions. So this is what we are not selecting. But yes, I need to select my custom schedule, ad schedule. So that is I have selected Monday to Friday 6 a.m. to night 12 o'clock. And then Sunday to Sunday, Saturday, Sunday, I want 24 hours my ad. So that is 00200 over here. And then I click on next and then I can enter my URL and all the keywords will come up. And if I don't have a URL, then I can search with the keywords also. So I can enter the keywords and click on update keyword suggestions or get keyword suggestions, and then it will give me all the keywords. So I can add another keyword by pressing enter, and I can also type. So this is it. So now we have come to the final phase of creation of the ad. So here my website URL is added. This display path we are not using because display path will just show some extra URL after the URL. So I mean if I add say like digital marketing and say I might add courses and digital marketing. So courses will come because it is less than 15. But if I add digital marketing, then that will not come up. So I will not use this courses over here. So any which ways, it is of no use because it is just the showing the path over here. But actually, when people will click on this ad, it will go to the final URL which we have added over here. So that is it. After that, I have added my phone number. So if people want to give me a call, then people can also give me a call over here. So that is it. And after that, the most important part that is the lead form. So this is the place where people will submit their name, email address, and mobile number. So if you are doing it for the first time, then yes, you need to create a lead form. So you need to click on the lead form and it will give you the option to select the previous forms or you can create a new one. So I have created various forms over here. So I can use any of these forms over here. So I will create a new form. So you will get to know that how we can create. So okay. Okay, so I will scroll down and over here I can see new lead form. So I click on new lead form and then I can select what are the fields that I want. So I want name, phone number, and email address. So these are all pre-filled, so we don't need to uh, add those fields. So this is done. After that, say if you want to add extra fields, so you can add, but if you put more, if you ask more details over here, people will not fill up the form. So I'll leave it blank. So I'll just use these three things over here. And after that, if you want to say ask any other things related to the company, then you can ask that. And over here, you can provide the headline of the ad. So this is the headline. So I can just say something like, mm, I'll just take out my notepad. Okay, it's opening. So now from here I can take whatever I want. So I have already created this notepad. So yes, over here I need to add some details. So this is something I can use. So headline is like I can use. mm, so this is my headline which has come up. After that, let me see what else I can add. So over here business name. So I will add business name. And then description, so I can write a small description over here, so I'll use this line. Okay, and then over here questions, so these are the questions that we have already asked. So this is what this is coming up the business name and this is the description that we have added. Then first name, last name, email address, and phone number. So either you can use first name or last name, or else you can use full name over here. So that will be less fields. So this is it. And after that, the qualifying questions in the language over here. So that is English. And privacy policy URL we need to add. So I will enter that. Okay, so this is done over here. And then if I want to add a background image, then I can add that also. So I would use this image over here. Uh, so I'll use this image over here and click on select. So now that image will come up over here, and I'll say save. If you do not have any images, you also have the option to upload over here from your PC, and then you can click on save. So now that image is coming up at the background over here. So this is what it is. So then you can provide, after people will submit the form, you can provide some thank you message. So I can add something like thank you, and then I can use something like okay. So this is done, and then I can provide some this uh, so this is over here. I can say visit website. So I want, if I want, after people will submit the form, if I want, I can redirect them to some website or like that. So I can send them to website, or if I want them to download something, then I can use that also. Or else I can select learn more or shop now or none. So like that I can use. So if I have a mobile app or I want them to download the course TOC, then they can do that. So I can select. This. So then I will select download and give the URL. So I'm not sure if I have the URL. So I will just say visit. I can even redirect them to my YouTube account and say Facebook, Instagram, wherever I want. So that I can do. So I can just click on visit site. So then I can provide the URL of the website. And then over here, call to action button, I can select learn more or say get quote, get offer. So I will select get offers. And once it is done over here, so visit website and you can see continue searching on Google. Also that can be done. And this is what it is. And then over here I can select the lead delivery option. So in that I can select webhook or key. So that is not required. Then lead type form also I don't require. So this is done. So I can click on save button. So my lead form will be ready. So this is the form. This is how I can create a form. I can click on save and that form will get added to this ad automatically. So once I click on save, it will get added. Okay, so it's saving. Mm, Let me see if there is any error. Okay, over here, description, get offer. Okay, contact to get best offers. So this is something that I can use. So it will be displayed somewhere at the below. So yes, over here, get offer, contact to get best offers. So that I can use and then I can click on save. So it will get saved. So now that form is there and I can click on apply. And yes, over here I can select some keywords. So I can again enter the URL and over here these are the three keywords I can use. So we already have some keywords. So I will use this keywords and plus some keywords from my website. So I will enter the website URL also. Okay, and then I'll say get keyword suggestions. So now I have all the keywords that I have selected over here from the website and the keywords. So now what we can do is I can click on apply all. So once it is done, I can scroll down and create my ad. So this is already done. So now what I need to do is I need to add some headlines and descriptions over here. So I will add some headlines. So there are maximum of 15 headlines that I can add. So 0 to 15. So this is something that I can do. So fine, I will open the this and I will add. So I'll add this digital marketing courses. Then I can add the second one, SEO courses in Kharghar or Navi Mumbai, and mobile marketing course. Okay, then I'll add some more. Okay, so now this is done. So add few more headlines. So the character limitation is just 30, so we need to make sure it is within 30. Okay, so this is it. And then something more. Mm, okay, over here. Mm, okay, so this is done. And now I will add the description. For description, I can use 90 characters. Mm, okay, I'll use it over here. Mm, so here we have a bit of length exceeding the 90 characters, so I need to remove something. Okay. Mm, so let's see what I can remove over here. So I've still removed it. Still two characters. I'll remove today. So yes, now it is resolved. So now I can add the second description. So this is the second description. So then I can add more. So this is the third description. And then I can click on the plus button to add more. However, you cannot add more than four over here. So I'll add one more. Okay, so this is very big. Okay, so I think I need to remove the whole thing and let's see what I can use. So I think this much should work. Okay, yes, it has worked. So after that, I need to add the business name. So I'll add the business name. Okay, website is running very slow. So I don't know why. So every time there is a problem over here, when I reach over here, the website gets down. So I need to select a website logo. So I'm selecting this logo and click on save. Before that, I also need to add my business name. So let's see what I can add. So now I can add my logo also over here. So it will come up like this. So this is it, and I click on apply. And business name over here. And then click on apply. So this is also come, the business logo has also come, so our ad is completed. So if I want to add any other links of the website, so that I can add over here. So let's see what we can add. So I'll click on site links and I can select some site links which are approved, get offers. Uh, okay, okay, so I'll add contact us. So I'll add any two links of the website and click on apply. So this is done, and I can also add callouts. So callouts is like contact us and call us and all those things. So it is similar to site links, but it will get displayed. So call us, get offers, and contact for best offers. So I'll use contact for best offers instead of get offers. So I'll click on apply. So it is coming up like this over here. So yes, this is done and my ad is done. So let me preview my ad. So this is how my ad should look like. I don't see my ad. Okay. Yes, over here I can see. Okay, so it is coming up like this. So after every few seconds it will refresh. So now you can see it has refreshed. So it will create multiple ads from the same content. And yes, after that I can click on done. So here I can click on done, and then yes, I can click on next, and then I need to enter the budget. So I'll say my daily budget is 500 rupees, and then I click on next. So now we need to review our campaign. So whatever we have added over here till now, it will be displayed. So if everything is fine, then I can publish the campaign. So the button will just come up in some time. Let's see. Okay. So yes, I think this everything is done, and now I can click on publish campaign. So I've checked everything, and yes, our ad is done. So this is our first ad. So we have just completed our first ad. So you need to verify everything that before submitting. So now this is the campaign created, that is complete. Now it is under process. So you can see it's in progress. 1 to 2 days it will take. And after that, say the ads will start and we will start to get results. So this is how it is done. So this was the first ad that we have done. So now I can go back and I can go back to all campaigns and we can create another ad. So now I can create a new campaign. So I'll say new campaign, and now we will select website traffic. And in website traffic, what is it that we are going to select is maybe we will do display ad first. So first we will run all the ads, and in the last we will do the performance max, because in store visits we have performance max ad. So right now I will select display ads, and I need to provide my website URL so that I'll add it. Okay, and then the campaign name. So it is display, and the campaign name is DMC, and then I click on continue. And okay, website traffic display. So I'll select the one which is already the that was created. So I'll use that. I'll say resume. And yes, then I need to add the rest of the things like location. So I'll select location. So last we had selected Maharashtra. So we can keep Maharashtra. I mean, we can select Mumbai, Navi Mumbai, whatever we want. We can also add state. So Maharashtra is added. So we'll keep that. So Maharashtra is added. Then say this is the location option that we have to get that we don't need to touch. That is whatever is default, we keep it. And then over here, I need to select the languages. That is also all languages. And then again, more settings. And under more settings, add rotation. Again, prefer best performing ads. So optimize and select best performing ads. And then over here, I can select add more settings. So then I need to add the custom schedule so that I can select the schedule. So last also we had selected the same schedule. This time also we are selecting the same schedule, and then we can click on more settings. And now you can see something different over here. You can see devices. So previously this option did not come. So I click on devices. So I can select which devices I want my ads to come. So if I want all devices, then I can select show on all devices. But by default, we will select this only. But in case if you want to select a specific targeting devices, then you can select, say, like computers, mobile phones, tablets. You can select, then you can select operating systems. Which operating system you want? Suppose I was select Android. Then in Android, I can select the version from which version to which version I can select. So maybe I can select something like mm, version minimum version could be 7. So I don't know if anyone is using Android version 7. So I'll use 7 till the current one. So current one is 13. So I'll use I can use 13 or I can use the current one that is the latest. And yes, I'll say create. So I can even add that option. But say if I do that, then the problem is that I'm narrowing down my audiences by selecting that option. So for that reason, we will not select that option. So I can just select show on all devices and I can uncheck that option. So then over here, like we have selected Android and the option for the version 7 till the latest version. So then I clicked on apply. So I don't need to add anything else. So like that for other operating systems also, I can select whatever is the best. So person, we do not give the person looking at the page. So for that reason, over here we are selecting the operating system. So okay, so over here I can just say clear all. So the previous one will be cleared. And say I'll select all of them. Say then there is a device model. So I can select a particular device model. Say like if I'm selecting Android, then in that case I can select a particular say company, and then under that company I can select a particular model. So if I select this all models over here, then the ads will go only to these devices. It will not go to any other devices or computers or tablets or anything. So for that reason, I'll not select this also. So because I want it on all the devices, and then networks. So in networks, it will ask me that whether I want to show my ads to the people who are on Wi-Fi, so, or say in say data connection, I can select the carriers. So carrier is something like over here. I can select Airtel or BSNL or Idea, MTNL, whatever I want. So my ads will come up only on these carriers. If anyone is using Wi-Fi or if anyone is using something else, so I did not select MTNL. So if someone is using MTNL, so they will not get to see the ad. So for that reason, I don't want that also. So I'll cancel this. So by default, we are definitely going to use all the devices because if I select all these things, then say my audience will get decreased. So I don't want that. So this is it. After that, show more settings. So under more settings, now we are remaining with campaign URL, which we are not using, dynamic ads that we are not using, start date and end date that we can use over here. So yes, I can select the start date could be say 27th of July and end date could be like 5th of July. So this is something that I'm using. So after that, let us see what is the next agenda. Okay, so after that again I click on more settings and okay, conversions. Let us select the conversion. So that is over here. Use dynamic ads feeds for personalized ads. So if I select this over here, then in that case I need to select the data feed. So over here I have a merchant center account. So what is merchant center account? So I can select that merchant center account. So I will just search for Google Merchant Center. So I select Google Merchant Center and I click on it and I log in. So I'll sign in with Gmail and yeah, so till that time I'll just open Google also. Okay. So now you can see over here I can click on products over here and I can click on all products. So right now I haven't added any products because I do not have any products. I can and I cannot add services. It wants only physical products which can be delivered to people. So if I don't have any products, then I can click on add products and I can add all the products over here. Now these products, where will these products come up? So these products will come up whenever I'm searching for any product. Say like I'm searching for Dell laptop. So now over here you can see the sponsored is coming. So these all ads are coming up and say like under shopping tab also you can see the sponsored ads over here. So these are sponsored ads. So if I want my ads to come up over here, then it will come up over there also. So over here, yeah. So one second. Yeah. So now, along with this particular ad, display ad, if I have some products which I want to promote, then I can promote it. So here, this is the account over here. You can see 3315. So over here also you can see 3315. So it is the same account I'm logged in. So this is the merchant center account that under which I can add all the products and I can promote those products over here through Google Ads. So this is it. And yes, right now I'm not selecting any because I don't have any products. So I'll skip that step. And after that, let me see if I have something else to add. So yes, over here, if I want to select, yes, I have this option content exclusion. So content exclusion is like where exactly I do not want my ads to come up. So maybe I can select over here, say like sensitive content is mentioned, say like tragedy and conflict, sensitive and social issues, profanity and rough language, sexually suggestive, sensational and shocking. So I don't want my ads to come up over here. This all is normal. So rest of the things are okay. So but these are all sensitive content where I don't want my ads to come up. So this is it, and then I click on next and after that I will be selecting my budget. So I'll select that my daily budget is 500 rupees and then over here I can click on next and yes, add targeting I need to select. So let's see, so this audience selection done, demographics. Okay, so now I need to click on this. I need to select my audience, so to whom I want to show my ads. So I will select the audiences which I've selected previously. So I'll select all So this all audiences have come up. So I'll click on done. After that, over here, optimized targeting is already on. Our targeting, let us see if anything. So yes, age and demographics. So this is demographics under which I can select the age and gender. So gender I can keep all of them, but age I have to select because the products cannot be purchased by all of them. However, I mean if they want, yes, they can. So I'll keep 18 to 24, 24, 5 to 34, 35 to 44. Rest of them I will uncheck because they are very likely, very, say not likely to purchase the products. So maximum up till the age of 44, 45 people will purchase. So I'll keep it up till 44. And the parental status, so whether they are parent or they are not a parent, so that actually does not affect. So that's fine. So now the household income. So top, so I mean whether the person is very rich or very poor. So I mean we have selected all of them. So that is not the criteria over here. So anybody can do digital marketing. So I can select all of them. But any which way, so this top household this income is applicable only to US and Canada. It does not apply to India. But still they are working on it. So once it becomes available, then it will get affected. So right now, say I can select all of them. So whether it is rich or poor, I can say everybody can do digital marketing. So yes, I've selected all of them. And after that, over here, the next thing is the keywords. So, like in search ads, we had selected the keywords. Similar way, I can select the keywords. So, I can enter the website URL, or I can paste the keywords, or I can search for some keywords. So, related keywords will come up. So, let me add my website. So, this time we will add the content from the website. So, this is done. So, now let me see if it is coming up or not. Enter a valid URL. Okay, yes. Okay, so now it is searching and it will provide the keywords over here. So I can select the best keywords, which when people will search, then my ads will come up. Okay, it's still getting. It's still not coming up. Okay, so some of the keywords have come up. So now I can click on the plus button. So that will get added over here. So we are adding these keywords. And now if I want, I can even search over here. So then the keywords will come up. So this is how we do the editing with the help of keywords. And after that, the next thing over here in ad targeting is the topics. So like keywords, we have topics. So these are the three things. So either I can target my users with the keywords, either with the topics, or the third option is the placement. So placement is something like where I want my ads to be shown, whether I want my ads to be shown on particular website or particular mobile apps or particular YouTube channels or particular YouTube videos. So I can select them and my ads will come up on those websites. So that's fantastic thing that we can do. So topics, I don't have anything related to say digital marketing. So I will leave this as it is. Over here, I don't see anything related to me. So I'll keep this. So I don't want to add topics, but yes, I will add the placements. So in placements, what you can do is I need to search over here by phrase or URL. So I will search for say digital marketing and then I can press enter and over here it will show me the websites and everything or else yeah, so there are 408 websites right now. So I mean, of course, there are many of them. So I click on the website, and over here you will see the website. And on the right hand side you will see the impressions per week. So you can just imagine how big these websites are. So AnkurAgarwal.in, so four lakh 50,000 this website, 2 lakhs, this is after that it is 1 million, then 1.5 million, 1.5 million, 2 million. So definitely I want my ads on all these websites. So if I select these all websites, then my ads are going to come up on these websites. So yes, I can select all of them. Mm, okay, so yeah, I want on all of them. This is 1.3 million, then this is 1 million, then this is 1.5 million, and this is 1.5 million. Okay, so then I can keep on scrolling and I can select this. So 1,50,000, 1 million, 1 million, 2 lakhs over here. Then 2.3 lakhs, then this is how much for 45,000. Okay, then over here is 4 lakhs, then over here it is 2 lakhs. Yes, this is 4 lakhs. So if I click on load more, then still some more websites will come up. So this all websites, my ads will be coming up. Then I can select the YouTube channels. So I can select on which channel. So these are all YouTube channels. So I can select the channels where I want my ads to come up. So just make sure that they are having good number of subscribers. So then I can add it. Okay. Mm, okay. So I'll select this one also. So I can select as such there is no problem with selection of any mobile app, but just make sure that you don't select any other language besides English. So like this, I can select all the mobile digital marketing, say the YouTube channels that we have selected. Then in case if I want to select YouTube videos which are related to digital marketing, then yes, I can even select those over here. So that is what I can select. So on all these videos, my ads will come up. So I can keep on selecting till the time I have very big list. So if you select 10 people, then maybe 2 to 3 people will see. So if you say uh, select all of them, then say your say ads will come up on these YouTube videos. So yes, I can select them. Let's see. So like this I can select. So whenever people will play these videos, our ads will come up. So it will come up in the terms of skippable ads or non-skippable ads. It will come up. So yeah, so this is done. After that, I'll say done over here. No, not done. 1 second. So it was with the we have added YouTube videos. Still the apps are remaining, so I can select the apps. So under the apps also we need to make sure that the apps are in English only, not in the Chinese or any other language. Otherwise, say I mean we will not be able to. So I mean even if people joins, we will not be able to interact with them. So like this, I can select n number of apps. Over here, I can just keep on selecting apps every full day. So that many apps I can add. So this is all the uh, apps. So now I need to select the app category. So for app categories, I need to remove the keywords. So I just need, so app categories will come up by default. So I don't need to select any keywords. So because I'm selecting the category where my ads will come up on the mobile devices. So, okay, still loading. So yeah, app categories. So I can select the Apple App Store categories. There are total 84. So out of them, wherever I feel I can select. So wherever I feel that more topics would be there. So at that position, I can select that. I can add that. So yes. So I'm selecting all of them. Okay. So music, movies, news. So these are the categories where there are lots of traffic. So over here I can just select them. Shopping. So this is done. So I can go back and yes, I can click on done. So like this, I can select the App Store and Play Store categories and I can show my ads on them. So now I can click on next and I can create my ad. So now there would be few changes apart from what we had done in the search ad. So now it says there is some issue in the targeting. Let's click on that and see. So this is it. New household income targeting. Okay, so that's fine. So now what is the error? Mm, I don't see any error at this moment, but optimize targeting. That will keep it on. So I don't see any error over here, but still let us click on next and see if things are working. So I'll enter my URL. So we'll start to create the ad. And then the business name that is already added, the logo that is added. So I need to add images. So I can add maximum of 15 images. So I'll click on images and I can select the images that I want to use in my ad. If these are the images that I have used in my ads previously, so I can see them over here. But if you are doing it for the first time, you will not see all these ads. So I mean all these images. So you can click on upload from your PC and then you can upload them. So I'll select these all over here and yes, I'll use them. Okay, view all. Okay, so I'll select these all. Okay, so I can use maximum of 15. So 15 are selected. So I click on save. So those 15 ads will come up. So logo I've already added. We can add up till 5 logos. So that's fine. So after adding this, I need to go and add my headlines. So headlines we will take from the notepad. Okay, so again, we have a character limitations of 30. So I need to make sure that my titles are within 30 characters. Then the next headline, okay, and then okay. So boost your career today. Get ready for get digitally ready in 21 days. Then learn the skills of tomorrow, and then something else. Value too long. Okay. Okay, then marketing with e-commerce. After that, so I've added five headlines over here. So maximum five headlines can be used, and I can add a long headline. So fine, I can use a long headline over here. So let's see what we can use. So this is how much 90 characters. So I think it will be too big. Okay, yeah. Let's see what we can do, or else we'll just keep it short only. Okay. So this much I have removed, and now we need to add five descriptions. So this is okay over here. Mm, okay, so this is done, and now the next one. Okay, so this is done. Over here also I need to remove. Okay, so now it is okay. All right, so now we have added one, two, three headlines. We still need to add. Mm, okay, so this is a bit long. Descriptions are identical. Okay, so that is the problem. Okay, so we are using this. So five headlines, five descriptions, they are done. So now I can click on create ad. But before that, let us see how does the ad look like. So over here, I can see my ad is looking like this. Oh, this is on websites and mobile apps. My ads will look like this. There are various types of ads that are being created. So you can see different types of ads are coming up. Okay, so everything looks good. Okay, so this is perfect. So now I can scroll down and I can say create ad and I can say next. Under next, audience error. So there is some error into the audience. I need to fix that. So let us see what is the error. Usually audience error doesn't come up. Mm, I don't see any errors over here. Targeted topics. Okay, so it is zero topics. So yeah, I mean, we had selected this, but over here, these all are okay by keywords. It is coming up. Okay, I need to select this content only show ads on this. So now this will be done over here. So now I don't think there should be any issue. Targeted topics is zero. Okay, fine. So in that case, I can select something like geographic references. Let's see. Mm, I can just select libraries or say maybe technical reference. So fine. I mean, at this moment, I don't think there should be something more to it. Mm, okay, so we have selected this. Now let me click on next. Still, there is some issue with the targeting. Sometimes such issues comes up. Audience error. And the worst part is that they don't even tell us what is the problem. Okay, once this loads, we'll get to know. Okay, I don't see anything. Hmm. So if such issues comes up, then in that case, we have to delete the campaign and we have to do it again because sometimes it is okay. So yes, this is the problem over here. Use optimized targeting so that I cannot use. Still that issue is there. Okay, so now it is campaign review and estimates aren't currently available. Okay, so that's fine. So now what is the issue? So not a problem. So we will do one thing. We will do this in the next session and we will create this ad again. So we will do website traffic and display again. So that's it for today. So if you have any questions, you can let me know. Okay, so fine. Then see you in the next session. Goodbye. Okay, so.